Hey, this is Dr. Michael Tebbe with Bright Star Chiropractic. In today's video, I want to show you how to use your massage gun to help work on your hamstrings. And the benefit of that is it's going to help your low back, it's going to help your movements, getting up and out of the chair, because a lot of people complain about tight hamstrings, and this is one way you can help to start relieving that. So let's dive in. Alright, so when you're using the gun, you want to think about trying to lengthen the muscle. So I'm going to kind of show you in this video, but you could be standing and put your foot up on the table, whatever it is, and then lean back a little bit so you'll feel the stretch in your hamstring here as you do that. And get your gun going. And here's your sit bone. You can feel that hard bone right there, pretty in the inside. So you're going to use the gun. And you're going to go in a direction towards your sit bone. So you can kind of feel it there. This is easier when you're standing, and then you can kind of just relax here. So you can see me better. You're kind of bringing the gun from outside to inside. So like outside of your leg, more to the inside. And you can kind of feel in there first. I think here, that's the spot. And if you find a tender spot, just stay there and let it work some. Again, typical question is, how long should I do this for? You know, a couple minutes. You can do it in between sets if you're at the gym, or if you're getting ready for a race. Yeah, that's a great tip just to help out. It's another way to help relax your low back. It's going to help your hamstrings, it's going to help your hips. And as your hamstrings get looser, they also get stronger, which then helps support your posture and a lot of other great stuff. So try that out and enjoy.